Hi everyone. Now in this video clip, I'm going to discuss the linear law question using the other method. So if you want to find out the previous method that I have just discussed, you can just click the link at the description box to find out the other method. So in this case, I'm going to use the second method to solve this question. Now this is a very non-routine question in linear law. For so many years of the SPM question, we have not seen this kind of question before. Now, so two different students convert the same nonlinear equation into two different linear form. No matter how we change it, they will always obey the rules of linear law, that is y equals to mx plus c. And the other one can be also written in y equals to mx plus c, but we want to differentiate the m and the c from for these two different graphs. So I use A to represent the gradient and B to represent the y-intercept. So we just put the value in. So we have 6 equals to m plus c. And for this side, we have negative 3.5 equals to 2a plus b. So in this video clip, I am going to choose to solve m and c. Okay, because once we have m and c, we put put it back into the linear law, and then from there we can rearrange to get back our original equation. So that means I have to form another equation that involve the m and c, but I do not have the second point. So what can I do? So we have to get the help from the diagram 4b, because from the diagram 4b, we know that the capital X, okay, the capital X is actually x over y. In this case, our x value is 2. So 2 equals to x over y. That means x equals to 2y. So can I find the value of my y? So on the other hand, my capital X and my capital Y is negative 3.5, which is 7 over 2, yeah? And what is capital Y is actually 1 over y squared equals to negative 7 over 2. Now, we've got a problem over here. In your syllabus, we all know that y squared is always positive. It's impossible to have a negative value. So what can we do? We can just find y squared first. Okay, you find the reciprocal of 1 over y squared. So it will be y squared. Therefore, the other side will be negative 2 over 7. All right. Now, so we have this one. Okay. Do not rush to find out what is y value. Let's just use this value from 4b to substitute into 4a. So from 4b, okay, oh no, substitute 4b, okay, substitute 4b into y equals to m x plus c. Now over here, the y is capital Y squared. I'm sorry, the small y squared equals to m. Capital X is small xy, and then plus c. So now let's just substitute the y squared value from 4b. That is why we don't have to rush to find out what is y. So we just use the y squared right away. So we have negative 2 over 7 equals to m. Now you may ask, if I don't have y, how can I find x? Doesn't matter. We just substitute the x with the 2y. So 2y and then times y. Isn't it we get back y squared? So we have 2y squared here. Okay, the m still in front. So we just substitute the y squared in. So we have m times 2 times negative 2 over 7 plus c. So we have negative 4 over 7m plus c. That's negative equals to negative 2 over 7. Now, so we form another equation that involves the m and c. So let's call this equation 1, 6 equals to m plus c, equation 1. And the one that we just found, let's label it as equation 2. So what can we do? We want to use elimination method. So I will just take equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, so that will be 6. Okay, 6 minus negative 2 over 7. So plus 2 over 7 equals to m minus negative 4 over 7m. That will be plus 4 over 7m. And c minus c is eliminated. So just left with m. So over here, we will have 44 over 7 equals to 7m plus 4m, 11m over 7. Therefore, 11m equals to 44, m will equals to 4. And then from equation 1, C, we find C. C equals to 6 minus m, which is 6 minus 4. That is 2. So with the m and the c that we just found, we can rewrite the equation. Okay, so y equals to m is 4, c is plus 2. So what is my original capital small x and small y? So capital Y representing y squared, capital X representing xy. So this is the equation. You can just stop here, okay? Now, in order for us to check whether this answer tally with the first method, in the first video clip, okay, which is the first method, we take x as the subject. So let's rearrange. So we will have 4xy equals to y squared minus 2. And therefore, to make x the subject, so we got to change the 4y across to the other side. So this is our answer. So isn't it the same answer as the method 1? Okay, so that's it. The point is, for different linear form coming from the same equation, the things that will never change is the small x and small y value. So we can use that to connect the linear graph from 4a to 4b. First point. Second point, if you decide to find m and c, so you have to get the point from b and substitute into 4a and vice versa. All right, so that's it for my explanation for this question. If you want to find out the other method, please click the link at the description box and find out the other method. And tell me which method is easy for you. And you can leave your comment at the bottom. So if should you have any question, please also leave your question in the comment area. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. So that's it for this question. Thank you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Okay, hope this helped you. Thank you very much.